Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change country or location on Indeed. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead and access your web browser and go ahead type in indeed.com and get into the official website and go ahead get signed in, because once you have signed in then you can start the process. Now once you are signed in to your account, you need to go ahead and go to the contact information section, where you will be able to find your first and last name, your phone number, and your email, obviously. Plus, when you go to the location section, you will be able to find country, city, state, and where you will be able to make some changes, because as soon as you go there you will be able to find the location and the state or the country that you have added. You can go ahead tap on edit or change option and then go ahead change it according to your requirement. Once you have changed that, make sure to tap on save, because if you do not do that then the changes will go back to how it was. Go ahead tap on save and your changes are saved and perfectly okay. And that's how you will be able to change your location or your country on Indeed. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.